A leaked audio that went viral on social media late Monday, reportedly bearing the voice of First Lady Auxilia has raised alarm that the president's administration is in danger of a coup. Sana mna mashukambuda nyo kapana pamnau bepana not bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina zimbabwe.com wakumana bitanyera wachite Mnangagwa rose to power in November 2017 on the back of a military coup that toppled his long-time mentor President R.G. Mugabe. Since then, there have been reports of deep divisions in the army, with one side being the new ZANU-PF leader, while another is backing former Commander Defense Forces and now Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. In the audio, a panicky Auxilia is heard, hysterically shouting at a suspected military intelligence MI operative identified as Morombo, questioning why he had ordered his subordinates to track every move. A former state spy herself, Auxilia suggested that the army officer would go ahead and kill Mnangagwa and spare her. You are spying on me. If you ask Manjoro, he will tell you that. I told him that. I will ask you about it. What do you want from me, Morombo? If I die, it is on you. You were using Manjoro to give you details of my whereabouts. And now that he is gone, we have started again. The first lady is yet saying in the 8-minute audio. Domashwa tukuona kuti this leaked audio yaredza speculation vanhu vakatanga kutyira the leadership yenyika vachiti chii zviri kuda kumbonyatsoitika. Yes, we know kuti zviri possible kuti kana unoda zvakamboitika vanhu vanoti history repeats itself. Kana zvakamboitika mapossibilities ekuti zvimboitika zvekare anenge aripo. Tikuona chitiko chiri kushamisa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa their own leadership it is now at risk. Vachiona kuti zvinhu hazvisina kumira zvakanaka munyika yeZimbabwe. Tiudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nauza kuda zvinhu kwamunews zimbabwe.com. Subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.